वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। इफ़ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल प्लीज़ टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फॉर रेगुलर अपडेट्स। आई एम टेकिंग द फोटो, sticking the ribbon on the back side. Another photo with the same style I am sticking on its back side. In this manner I am attaching the two photos. Rest two photos also I will be arranging in same manner. I have stick the rest two photos also. Taking the glass bottle, I have removed the sticker of the glass bottle by immersing it for few hours in warm water. These are the artificial grasses what I am using for the decoration. I am immersing randomly, not in a particular sequence or anything, just randomly. If the grass are big, I am cutting in a half and just immersing randomly. After I am satisfied with the quantity of grasses, I am immersing the photo. Be little conscious while immersing the photo. It should not get damaged. Take care of that. I'm not going to cut the ribbon right now. We'll keep the extra ribbon and we'll cut later on. I'm taking the fairy lights and we'll immerse the fairy light in the bottle. I'm not going to straight the wire. I'm immersing it how it is for give a natural look. Once the fairy light is immersed, this is the way it will look. Once it is immersed, our next step is to cover the bottle. Instead of cork, I am going to use flowers and fillers. This flower, just I am making an arrangement. I am using flower. In mid of that, I have arranged fillers and I am taking few leaves also. After I am satisfied with the arrangement, we'll tie the bunches with the same ribbon and then I am going to cut the extra ribbon. We'll tie the bunches so it will not get removed. Now I made a tag. We'll hang it on the bottle. Whatever the occasion is there, write the on tag and will hang on the bottle. Now to hide the battery, I am applying Fevicol on the battery. Attaching the back side of the tag so our battery will be hide this way. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. And finally, thanks for watching. To comment how you like our video.